In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Steam password while logged in. If you've ever saved your Steam login in your web browser, you can view it safely using the built-in password manager. This method doesn't require logging out of Steam, it simply lets you reveal what the browser has already stored. Keep in mind, this only works on the device and browser profile where you previously chose to save your credentials, and you'll need to confirm your identity with your device PIN or biometric sign-in. Start by opening either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the browser menu. From there, select Settings, then look for Passwords. In some versions, this may appear under a section like Autofill or Autofill and Passwords. Either way, you're heading to the Password Manager where your saved logins live. Once you're in the Password Manager, you can scroll through your saved logins, but searching is faster. Use the search bar and type steampowered.com or simply Steam. You should see an entry associated with your Steam account. Click that entry to open its details. You'll see the username and a password field hidden behind dots. To reveal it, select the eye icon next to the password. Your browser will prompt you to verify that it's really you. This could be your device PIN, a passcode, or a biometric like a fingerprint or face unlock. Enter or confirm when prompted. After verification, the password will appear in plain text. Take a moment to double-check it, and if you need to copy it, do so carefully. When you're finished, click the eye icon again or navigate away to re-hide it. For your privacy, make sure no one is looking at your screen while the password is visible, and avoid storing it in unencrypted notes or screenshots. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.